This tomato plant is covered with aphids, but don't fear, guess what I see here? It's the larva of a lady beetle. Yes, it's going to take care of all of these aphids for us. Not only do we have the larva, we also have the adult and the eggs. So again, when these eggs hatch, they will take care of those aphids for us. So before you pull out the pesticides, don't do it. Always scout and look to see if you have beneficials. Again, we have a beneficial here. The lady beetle will eat many aphids. So again, you don't have to worry about pulling out the pesticide. Just let the beneficials do their work. You will be happy to see those lady beetles when they're out there. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.